Hello, my name is Diana, and I'm going to talk a little bit about blocks that I can access as a student. So, as you can see here in the top right corner, my name is Diana, and as a student, I would like to see some information that are hidden behind these blocks here, which is on the left. I can actually expand them by clicking on these three lines. So I get here Moodle for Teachers, Evo 21, then the name of participants, badges, competencies, grades, etc. And as you can see here, all these folders present information that refer to activities in each of the weeks of the course or the session. For example, I go here and I get here all the information about the about the different weeks, and here I also get information and links to the tools that can be useful for the duration of the course. Then I can go to weekly badges and see this tutorial about how to open digital badges, and information also that we can get weekly badge if we participate and fully and do all the required tasks. Then there is information how to create tutorials. There are also links to the tools that we can use for that. And starting from here, we get detailed list of activities which have happened or which will happen in the weeks to come. Important thing to know is that all these blue letters are clickable. So, for example, we go see. So there is. This means that there are two documents we can download that we are supposed to read before we go further, and whenever we reach certain page, we can choose to go to previous activity or to go to the next activity. This time I will go back to this list of activities. It also contains the video tutorials by Dr. Nelly Deutsch. Then also we have a list of things that we have to do. PowerPoint presentation is there available, and we can also download it. Here we go here and we can download, we can choose the type of the way how we would like to save this document. I have downloaded some of them. Then we also see here how many unread posts are there in certain places. For example, support forum is there to ask questions if you have any problems, struggling, or need or to make suggestions. Then here in the forum, for example, for this, we go and see how many people uploaded their discussions, and also if we click on each of them, we can not only see what they have done, but we can also see all the comments and responses to the discussion. We are obliged to discuss posts with at least one person. So then basically the same principle applies to all the weeks here. So now we'll go to the right side of the screen, which is not visible at the moment, but if I click on this arrow, I will get to the blocks on the right side. First of all, there is QR code for those who prefer to attend the course through by using mobile phone. Then we have latest announcements. This one is from the 17th of January. Then we have Moodle events. Not only do we have the information when it is, but we also have announcement when in the future it will happen. So as we see, because we are more than half we are well into the course, there are 3 more events to attend. We can also access the calendar. Calendar shows us the event, and since I set the time zone, I see what time it will happen in my time zone. Then I go back to explore other things in the right block. I always have to click the arrow in order to access it, and then we have a lot of activities, external tools, which all these blue words actually present the links. We can go and see how we do it or prepare. So this is something already made, and we can learn from it. Go back now. I don't need it at the moment. One more click to this arrow and go back here. Then feedback will be available in the last week when we reflect on the course. Then again this way. Resource. So basically all of these things are clickable and we can explore more. One important thing is, if we are curious how many people are at the same time online, we can see online users. According to this, it's only me at the moment. If I want to hide my presence here, I can click on this. But why would I do it? Very important thing is here this line of completion progress. So not only that I see that I have covered 40% of the whole thing, but I can also check what I have missed. So I click there and I get here. If I want to see what's happening here, whether there are comments, there are no comments here. And I have to be a little bit patient because I have done a lot of things with some delay. But I also can go and check other people's videos and comment on them. There is always that word reply here. You click on the reply link and the window opens and I can type something and post. Since I now don't want to use time for writing a comment, I'm going to cancel this and go back to my primary goal to explain the content of the blocks on the right side. Here we come to this. That means it's not open yet. It said expected the 7th of February. Sorry, the year is quite fascinating, 2050. I don't believe that we will be that long in the course. Anyway, so here is something very nice to see, that I came to the level 10 and I got all these points for experience points. Basically, these stars and points are here to boost us and help us go through the course. And we see how many points we get here and when it happened. So if we click here, I get exact moment when I did something which won me some points. I can check on info and see all these stars, how they work. Now they're nice to see, but not that interested in that. But another thing that I like is to see ladder. So to see my position here. So at this point I'm quite high in the ladder presentation and it fills me with pride. But my work is not done yet, so I'm going back and let's see if there is something else important to visit. No badges displayed, but that would be about it. So I want to close this part and hear what I do. So I believe it was helpful, and that's all for today. Bye bye.